Hi you guys, welcome to another video. So today we've got a couple of parcels come from Madam Glam. One of them is Madam Glam's very first 2025 collection. So this is January's collection. And then in this one we have got some builder gels, and we've also got 3 chrome gel paints as well. So we'll have a look at these ones first, and then we'll have a look at January's collection afterwards. So let's have a look at these chrome gel paints first. So Madam Glam chrome gel paints, you get 5ml in these pots. You have got your ingredients on the side. These cure for 2 minutes in an LED light and 4 minutes for a UV light. So we will give those a little swatch in a minute. And then these, which I'm so excited to try, these are Madam Glam's builder gels. So they're builder in a bottles. Wait until you see these colours, guys. I have never seen such beautiful builder gels in all my life. Look at those. My camera is not going to do them justice whatsoever. So we're going to give those a swatch as well. I think we'll probably swatch those first. So with Madam Glam's builder in a bottles, you get 15ml. You've got your name on the bottom. So this one is called a Shimmer Aurora. Again, you got your ingredients on the back there if anyone wants to check out those. They cure for 1 minute in an LED light, 2 minutes in a UV light. Like all Madam Glam gels, these are also vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil free and Hema free. So they are amazing quality, great for people who has any kind of allergies. So let's get these ones swatched first, and then we'll have a look at the chrome gel paint, shall we? So the first one we're going to swatch is powder pink. So with these builder gels, guys, I'm just going to swatch the inside. So it's quite a thick consistency, but my room is very cold, so it's not going to be as thick. Oh, wow. Love that one. Look at that. Now that is my kind of nail bed colour, but it has got a beautiful sparkle in there as well. Can you see that? He's so pretty. That is definitely my kind of colour. So I'm going to give that a cure for 1 minute. Next one is Aurora. So builder gels or builder in a bottles, these are great for doing natural gel overlays, which is what I'm probably going to do on my nails this week, because I've got no nails on my left hand at the minute. I might just do a really nice short set using one of these. I haven't used a builder in a bottle for ages, so I wouldn't mind having a little go with it. Again, so pretty. Look at that. Try and get the light off it so you can see it better. Got a beautiful Aurora shift to it. So much prettier than what my camera's showing it. It's so pretty. Next one is Shimmer Clear. So I'm going to speed the rest of these swatching up, guys, and pop a little bit of music on, and then we'll come in and take a look at them once they're all swatched.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Oh wow, look at that one. So pretty. It's very similar to the Aurora, but it's got a really fine shimmer to it as well. So pretty. Look at that. And then last but not least, we have got sheer white. Oh wow, look at that one. That is going to make a beautiful shimmery French tip. Can't wait to do like a French nail or a baby boomer using that. It's going to look well smart. And that is what they look like all swatched, guys. So I have given them a top coat off camera. You'll see I've given them a no wipe shiny top coat on the top and Madam Glam's velvet matte top coat on the bottom half, just so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. I really, really like them. I like every single one of them, but I think my favourite is probably the powder pink, this one. I wouldn't mind doing a set of either baby boomer nails or some French nails using the powder pink as the nail bed colour and the sheer white as the tip. I think they would look really smart together. Be very, very subtle, but I like it. I really like it. So, that is Madam Glam's Builder Gels, Builder in bottles. Now we're going to have a look at these chrome gel paints. So we've got purple chrome, lilac chrome and rosewood chrome. We'll have a look at the purple chrome first. They do come with these protective foil seals on, guys. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all these off camera just to save a little bit of time. And then we'll pop back in when I'm ready to swatch. Before you use these, guys, always make sure you give them a good stir as well. I really like how these are nice and thick. They're not really watery like some are. So the first one we're going to swatch is Lilac Chrome. Going to be using Madam Glam's application brush. Now you don't need a lot of this at all. A little bit goes a long, long way. Don't want to keep going over it too much either, because it will self-level itself. Just like that. Look how pretty that is. Stunning. So that one's Lilac Chrome. Give that a cure. This next one is Rosewood Chrome. That's a really pretty colour, isn't it? I haven't actually got a colour like that. It's like a pinky burgundy colour. Super pretty. I love that. And then last but not least, we have got Purple Chrome. Again, really, really pretty colour. Probably my favourite one out of the three. So I'm going to give that a cure. I'll just give them a top coat off camera as well, guys. And then we'll come back and take a look at them all together. So there we are, guys. That is Madam Glam's chrome paints all swatched. They are well pretty, aren't they? Even in matte, I like them. This purple chrome is definitely my favourite. And it was really, really nice to apply as well. They self-levelled beautifully. You don't have to keep going over them. They're a really, really nice formula. Like the builder gels as well, guys. These are also vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and Hema free. So perfect for those that suffer with any kind of allergies when using nail products. These are most likely going to be the gels for you. So that is those all swatched. Now we're going to take a look at Madam Glam's brand new 2025 January collection. So January's collection consists of 6 colours. Well, actually it consists of 5 colours and 1 no white top coat. So the no white top coat is called Sparkle On. Look at that. Can't wait to swatch that. Looks well pretty, doesn't it? Love it. And then these are the 4 colours, but there is also another colour as well, but it was out of stock when this was shipped out to me. But I will put a picture on the screen now, guys, of the colour that I've not got, just so you can see what it looks like swatched. But we're going to get these swatched anyway and have a little look at them, see what they look like. So like I said, the top coat's called Sparkle On. It is a no white top coat. This looks so pretty. It's got some beautiful holographic shards in there. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh. So that's what it looks like after 1 coat. Give that a cure. These cure for 1 minute in an LED light, 2 minutes in a UV light. Right, let's have a little look at these colours now, shall we? So the first one is Times Square. Looks like a really pretty, like, blurple. Wow, what a beautiful shade of purple is that. It's like a kind of mauvey purple. It's looking lighter on camera than what it actually is. Let me try to show you it like that. Yeah, it's more that kind of colour. Beautiful, beautiful colour. So I'm just going to get that cured. And then I'll give them all a top coat and then we'll come back in and take a look at all the colours. So that is Madam Glam's very first collection of 2025, which is actually called the Glam 25 collection. I really, really like those. Especially the Times Square and the Frosted Lavender. And I love this Sparkle On top coat. That is beautiful. I wish you could see... Oh, you can look. Look at the hollow. It's so sparkly. So that's after 1 coat. Obviously, if you want there to be even more glitter, you just keep adding more and more coats. But I really like the effect just after 1 coat. And you can apply it over different colours as well, and you're going to get a different effect every time. For instance, you can put it over that. And it's going to look different every time. Yeah, I really, really like that top coat. So, let's have a look at all the swatches together. And then that'll be the end of the video, guys. So there we are, guys. That is everything for my Madam Glam haul today. There's some really, really cool bits in there, isn't there? I'm definitely going to be doing a natural gel overlay on my left hand this week using some of these. I'm actually really looking forward to giving that a try. It's been quite a while since I've used a builder gel, so that could be quite fun. It's probably not going to be very educational, but it'll probably be fun to watch. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button and turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss that video and any other of my future uploads. Everything that I showed you today, I'll leave the names for in my description box below. I have got a massive 35% off discount code for you guys to use on the Madam Glam website, which is GG35, but I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with the Madam Glam website link. And that is everything for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to wish you all a happy new year and the very best for 2025. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.